Come on, put your hand on here. Put your hand on here and dip. And we'll do yellow next. We're going to dip the pink so it gets a nice color. That's shiny.
What are you doing, Abby?
I'm doing an egg.
What are you making?
Egg.
Easter eggs?
Easter eggs.
Neato.
Okay.
Okay, let's do yellow.
All right, hold on. Let's show Daddy. It says Abby on it.
Look at that.
I want to do yellow now. I want to start it.
Well, we got to put them there to dry, right? Do another one?
I want to cut it now.
Okay, hold the color on it.
Okay.
Keep coloring. Color all around it, so turn it on the other side and do the other. There you go. Be kind of like a tie-dye egg. Keep coloring.
Okay.
Okay, you want to do yellow? Okay, hold on, we're going to put it on the dipper.
Good.
Okay,
Oh.
get your hands on it.
Let me see you do the dipping.
Dip.
Whoa, good. Kind of lost it there.
Okay, keep dipping.
You got to keep dipping. You got to do it for a little while so it stays yellow.
You want to make it nice and like a nice pretty color. There you go, you're doing a good job. Keep dipping.
Do some more.
I should go pick that up.
A little bit
Keep
longer, maybe?
going. Good job.
Okay.
Okay, now keep going. We want it to be brighter. Mommy wants to be nice and bright. Bright yellow. Keep going up and down. Up and...
Baba yellow.
What?
Baba yellow.
Yeah, bright yellow.
Okay. I'm making it for you.
Okay, you're making it for me. Keep going. Oh, that's okay. That's why you got your sock on.
Baba.
There you go. Keep going, dipping up and down, up and down, up and down, up.
I can do it.
You can do. You're doing a good job.
You're doing great, Abby.
Mm-hmm.
Just go up and down like that. See?
Now I all done.
You all done? You like that color? Is that good enough color for you? All right. Good job. Okay.
Way to go, Abby.
Right from there. Okay.
You
I
did-
want to do red now.
I don't have red. I have blue.
No, I want this.
That's pink.
Oh, pink. I love you.
You got blue or like purple?
That.
Okay.
No, I want color. I want color.
Want to color on? Okay, that's that much.
Hey, he was making noise over here. All right, I'll look at her, honey. Look at her.